I have switched off the phone and also removed the cover. Let's start it again. We can remove the older one, the old tempered glass. We can use this one for if there is any problem in removing like this. So we can see this has been removed. So just let's start the process again. Let's clean it first. This is cleaning wipe. Make sure there is no dust around you. So we have cleaned it. Now we will use this cleaning cloth. So we can say it has been cleaned. Just use this dust remover. If there are any type of dust left, it will get captured with this one. So even I cannot see any of the dust here, but still I would like to use it in case any things which are not appearing. So let's use this one. So this is the top part, and this is the tempered glass. So what we will do, we will remove this additional layer of we can remove this for tempered glass. And now tempered glass is ready. Just make sure to set it like this on your phone. Make sure it has been clearly inserted in your phone like this. Just press it like this, and wait for 30 seconds. So after sliding and waiting for 30 seconds, now we can remove this one. Let's tap. Like this. Now remove this and try to clear the bubble from hands slowly. There is also additional layer, and this problem we will also remove it. Just you can remove it like this, and now we can start cleaning these bubbles. So try to clean as much it is possible, the bigger one, but even something would be left, it will get automatically cleared after some hours. So this time I will not be making any forcible removal, as we have seen in the previous installation. Those bubbles are getting cleared automatically. So we can see there are some of the bubbles left here. So now I will not be removing any of the bubble by force. So we will wait for next day, and we will see that these would get automatically cleared. So let's see after waiting some time. So this is now next day. You can see there are no bubbles left. If I share about the time, after 8 to 10 hours I see that there was bigger bubbles still left there. It was some of the two big bubbles, and or small bubbles also 3-4 more. But after 12 to 15 hours, then I checked, those were disappeared. So now you can check, there are no bubbles. I kept it in this mode, on the straight mode, so that I was aware that if the bubbles will get removed only in this position. If I would have done in this straight position to keep it on some of the stand, then there may have been, I'm not sure if those would have been cleared or not. But I kept my phone on in this way, so that bubble will get sufficient time to get cleared. So you can see here all the thing. You see this is the sensor, and this also appearing is a sensor. So we should make sure that there are no dust left, because if there would be any of the dust particle left, those will not let the bubble get cleared. So you can see here there are no bubbles on the phone. You can follow these procedures and make sure that there are no dust particle left before fixing the tempered glass. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, you can comment.